Here's how to design dynamic websites in Gutenberg using GutenKit's Query Loop Builder. First, install GutenKit. Head to the Block section from WordPress dashboard and activate the Query Builder block. Once that's done, open any page in editing mode and insert the Query Builder block. Now, with GutenKit, you can either start with ready-made templates or choose from a selection of layout skeletons. Pick one, and you'll see the posts from your site appear right in the editor. From here, you have two options: inherit the query from the template, or manually edit the queries yourself. For the query templates, you have the flexibility to customize layout options like grid, slider, flex, or block. On the other hand, while editing query, you can call the query by post, taxonomy query, meta query, date query, author, and more. Starting with posts, you'll select the post type and decide which posts to include using the Post In field. If you're working with pages, you can also include parent pages using the Parent In and Post Parent fields. You can also exclude specific posts from the Post Not In field. Now let's look at adding queries based on taxonomy. You can add multiple taxonomy queries and set their relation using and/or logic. For individual taxonomy items, you'll need to define the taxonomy type, like categories, tags, navigation menus, or pattern categories. Let's go with categories for now. Simply set specific categories in the Terms field and select In as the operator to show all posts under that category. You can even include child taxonomy terms by enabling that feature. With GutenKit's Query Builder, you can also filter posts by date, down to the year, month, week, day, hour, minute, or even second. Plus, you can set up comparisons between the queries. Next, with the Author query, where you can show the post by authors. You can show posts for a single author in the Author field, or multiple authors in the Author In field. Also, exclude posts from specific authors in the Author Not In field. If you want to showcase posts with certain media files, the MIME type query has you covered. Also, you can easily display posts based on the number of comments they have. Just set the comment count and adjust the conditions in the Compare Number of Comments field. For instance, if you enter 1 and choose the equal operator, only posts with exactly one comment will be shown. Next up, control the post visibility based on their status. Set the Post Status query to show published, pending, draft, or scheduled posts. In GutenKit's Query Builder, there's even an option to filter by password-protected posts. When it comes to ordering, you have options to sort by post ID, author, title, or name in ascending or descending order. Now customize the pagination part by selecting the post per page, and offset to select the default page number in pagination. You can also hide WordPress's default sticky post by enabling the Ignore Sticky Posts. Beyond that, you can simply show posts that have a specific keyword in them by adding that keyword in the search query. You can later customize the pagination appearance from the query pagination. GutenKit's Query Builder also supports custom meta fields. Just add a meta key and meta value, choose a comparison operator, and define the meta type to display posts based on custom metadata. With ACF support, you can even integrate custom fields with plural label, singular label, post type key, and taxonomies. The custom fields you add in the ACF are available in the meta query of the Query Loop Builder blocks. As said earlier, you can customize the query pagination style. First, select the pagination type from Number, Previous, or Next, and Number plus Previous, Next button. GutenKit's Query Builder makes it easy to style post information, post excerpts, titles, and feature images to your query template, bringing your dynamic website vision to life. So there you have it. With the power of GutenKit's Query Builder, creating dynamic websites in WordPress has never been easier. From displaying custom posts to filtering content with precision, GutenKit offers the flexibility and control you need to build truly dynamic and engaging websites, all without writing a single line of code. So install GutenKit today and start your journey with a full-fledged page builder experience in Gutenberg. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.